Hello viewers, hello my beautiful family. Welcome back to our channel. With the holiday season just around the corner is the perfect time to get crafty, add personal touch to your Christmas decoration. Today I will be sharing fun, budget friendly and super easy homemade Christmas craft and decoration ideas that you can make with your family, friends or even solo while sipping on some hot coca. So grab your glue guns, your glitters and let's get into the holiday spirit. So, my dear friends, let's start with one of classic DIY Christmas ornaments. These make great the tree decoration or even thoughtful little gift. First up, cinnamon stick ornaments. All you need a few cinnamon sticks, some ribbon, and hot glue gun. Tie the cinnamon stick into a star shape or even a mini tree. Not only do they look rustic and cute, but they also smell amazing. Next, clear flable ornaments. You can buy these at any craft store. Fill them with fake snow, mini pine cones, glitters, or even message for a personalized touch. Tie a ribbon on the top, and you will got yourself stunning ornaments. And for the kids, salt duff ornaments. Mix 1 cup flour, half cup salt, and half cup water. Roll out the dough. Use cookie cutler or to shape, bake, or for 2 hours, then paint and decoration as you like. Next up, Christmas wreath. A handmade wreath add a warm welcome touch to any door for your friends and family. For a natural look, use a wire wreath frame and wrap it with branches or even rosemary or pine cones, red berries, and burlap ribbon for traditional vibe. Want something more to fun and colorful? Try a Christmas ornament. Just hot glue old ornaments onto a foam ring, laying them tightly, mix and match color for a playful, amazing look, or go for a gold and silver for something more elegant, or go cozy with yarn wrap and amazing yarn wreath. Wrap thick yarn around a foam ring, then decorate with felt flower or mini knitted items like mitten or scarves. You can also use mason jar candles centerpiece. Grab a few mason jar, fill them with a fake snow or salt, add something like tea light and battery candles and wrap the tops with twine and a bit greenery. Cast a few of the together on a tray, a beautiful centerpiece. Dried orange garland slice for amazing and beautiful smell, traditional touch. Now let's talk about wall and window decoration, the kind that bring instant clear or cheer to any room. For the window paper, snowflakes are a timeless classic. Fold white paper into skewer, snap out your design and hang them with finishing line. Kids especially love this one. For rustic vibe, try a wooden hanging branch. Find a sturdy branches, hang it horizontally with some twins. They hang ornament stars or small wrap boxes for it. It's like minimalist floor tree and a cozy lighting. Make a fairy lights. Just wrap fairy lights around fox greenery and wrap it window ment. our shelves. If you like our videos, please must watch our video till the end. If you like, so please must share with your friends and family. I really stated that. I love